Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and across the world will observe the accession to Pakistan Day on Wednesday, 19 July, with a renewed pledge to continue their struggle for freedom from Indian occupation and complete merger of Jammu and Kashmir with Pakistan. It was on 19 July in 1947 that the genuine representatives of the Kashmiris unanimously passed the resolution of Kashmir's accession to Pakistan during a meeting of the All Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference. Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two more youth today. The youth were martyred by the troops during a violent cordon and search operation in the Poonch district. Senior all-party Hurriyat Conference leader and chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, Shabbir Shah, has urged the international community to take effective notice of the increasing Indian state terrorism in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Justice continues to elude the struggling people of Jammu and Kashmir even as International Justice Day is being observed across the globe today. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today in connection with the International Justice Day maintained that the defenseless and oppressed people of Jammu and Kashmir continue to suffer under the Indian state terrorism. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has urged the Indian judiciary to take a suo motu notice of the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma's remarks on the Muslims, in which Sarma blamed the Muslims for the price rise in the BJP-led Indian states. Mehbooba Mufti wrote on Twitter that while the judiciary took action against the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for raising questions on corruption, it should also take suo motu notice of the Sarma's remarks. 3 persons, including a traffic warden, were killed in a fatal mishap involving the crash of multiple vehicles in Srinagar today. A 3-wheeler, a tipper and a Maruti car collided in Srinagar, resulting in the fatalities and several injuries. In an ongoing spree of terminating Kashmiri employees from the government services, the Modi regime has sacked 3 more other employees, including the public relations officers at the Kashmir University. All the 3 employees were sacked on the allegation of supporting the Kashmiris' right to self-determination.